Welcome to Cashman's Collection. Today I'm going to review my Motovlog helmet setup, what I'm using to record, what I'm using to get audio, my mic, headset, all of that. So first thing first, the helmet. I am using a Bell Qualifier. It's a really good helmet. Cuts down wind noise compared to my other helmet, the Gringo, Biltwell Gringo. So it works on that front. For my camera, it's not on my helmet, but I'm using a GoPro Hero 7. It's a great camera. The only thing is it doesn't have anywhere to put a mic without buying the attachment. So what I'm doing as a workaround is I've bought and installed a Bluetooth headset into my helmet, and it's pretty good. I mean, the sound quality from the speakers, the mic is really good, at times too good, where it blocks out all the other noise. So it really does cut out the wind, but you could barely hear the motorcycle. Vocals are really good. But the only complaint is the sound is that of, I liken it to a pilot. When a pilot's filming himself speak over his headset, it has that radio sound. So that's what that is. And basically what I do is I record to a Bluetooth recording app, let that run at the same time that my GoPro is going, and then I sync up the sound in post-production. But that's a little bit of a headache, but it's worth getting the better sound. So what I'll do is I'll put the GoPro in the helmet so you can get an idea of the sound of the speakers. I've already posted a Motovlog so you can understand what the mic sound is like. And that's it for my vlog setup. Oh, one thing about the GoPro is I'm using a mount that has a swivel on it. I ride a Royal Enfield Continental GT650. I've lowered the handlebars. I've changed the seat out. So the angle, the riding position is a little bit more aggressive. So I need to have the camera facing upwards more so I could capture more of the road and all the inputs. So that's that for the setup. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe if you like the channel. I hope to be posting a lot more content regularly, and more about motorcycles, my overall lifestyle. So thanks.